Ever wondered how people run online stores without holding a single product in stock? That's the magic of dropshipping, a business model revolutionizing e-commerce around the world. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This means you can run an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping logistics. How does it work? 1. You set up an online store and list products from a supplier. 2. A customer places an order on your site and pays you the retail price. 3. You forward the order to your supplier and pay the wholesale price. 4. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. 5. You keep the profit, the difference between the retail and wholesale prices. Advantages: low startup costs, no need to manage or store inventory, wide product selection, location flexibility. Disadvantages: lower profit margins, less control over inventory and shipping, quality control can be a challenge, high competition. Final thoughts: dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business with minimal risk, but it requires strategy, patience, and consistency to succeed. Enjoyed this breakdown? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content on business, technology, and digital trends.